Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 19th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We'll be combining recent news and events with in-depth chart analysis to give you a comprehensive understanding of what's happening and what might be next for Litecoin. First, let's quickly recap some of the top news stories surrounding Litecoin. Recent reports indicate increased buzz around a potential spot Litecoin ETF, fueled by the SEC acknowledging Canary Capital's application. Bloomberg ETF analysts suggest the SEC views Litecoin as a commodity, increasing the likelihood of approval. Some analysts predict Litecoin could reach $160 by March, while others project even higher prices in the long term, with some bullish scenarios exceeding $390 by 2025. Now, let's dive into the charts and see if we can correlate any of these events with Litecoin's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation followed by a significant price surge around late February and early March of 2024. This price movement coincides with initial reports of the SEC acknowledging the Litecoin ETF application, which may have fueled buying pressure. We can see that the price made a high of over $110 in March of 2024, followed by a sell-off down to the mid-$80s and a period of sideways movement since. Most recently, today's candle seems to show that Litecoin may be attempting to rebound after yesterday's sell-off on March 18th. Now let's look at a closer time frame. Now let's take a look at the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see a sharp drop around March 18th, followed by some attempt to stabilize near the $80 level. Zooming into the last few days on the 1-hour chart, we see more detail on the pullback and a few attempts by the market to find a new high. Looking at the most recent price action, we see the price is attempting to break higher. The high of the candle is $87.87, but we will need to see further movement upward, supported by good volume, to confirm this. If the market is to continue bullish from here, we'll need to see it move past the $90 range convincingly. Otherwise, we may be due for another move downwards. Let's switch over to a 15-minute view for even more granularity. Here on the 15-minute chart, we can see a clearer picture of the recent attempts to breach higher. Let's filter to just the last 24 hours to get the most relevant data. The market has made steady progress upwards since early morning, reaching a current high at the time of this analysis. If the bullish momentum continues, watch for a potential breakout above the $90 level, which could signal further upside potential. On the other hand, if the price fails to sustain its upward momentum, we may see a retest of the recent lows in the $80s. To recap, key price levels to watch are the $90 resistance and the $80 support. A break above $90 with strong volume would signal a bullish continuation, while a failure to hold above $80 could lead to further downside. The likelihood of either scenario will depend on overall market sentiment and the ongoing developments surrounding Litecoin, especially the potential ETF approval. Be sure to stay tuned to Explain the Charts for further updates and analysis. Good luck with your trades, and we'll see you in the next video.